Raise your hand if you've been personally victimized by Maskne this past year.
Hi, I'm Bianca. I'm a content creator and writer, and this week I am testing out Hero Cosmetics 4 Shield Serum and Mist.
Hey everyone, my name is Scout. I'm a licensed esthetician. I'm also known as the Glow Scout on TikTok and Instagram, where I make some skincare related content. And this week I am trying out the new 4 Shield collection from Hero Cosmetics.
Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. I'm a skincare content creator. We have 2 products in their 4 Shield line. We have the 4 Shield Superfuel Serum Stick, and we also have the 4 Shield Supercharged Reset Mist. These products really focus on the health of your skin barrier, specifically relating to our struggles with maskne.
So the idea of these 2 products is to balance the skin's microbiome, soothe the skin, and provide on-the-go options for when you are wearing your mask for a long time. Balancing the skin's microbiome is so important because at all times we do have good and bad bacteria on our skin. That's what keeps our skin healthy. But when it's out of whack due to stressors like a face mask on your skin for a long time, that's when we can kind of see it manifest on our skin surface as breakouts, irritation, etc. Especially in the beginning of the pandemic, my skin was going through it. I still do deal with some maskne breakouts. I have one right by my lip, and you can kind of see maybe I do have some scarring from previous maskne breakouts as well.
For me specifically, I often deal with irritation right in my beard area. I don't necessarily deal with the inflammation that you get from kind of that damp environment that's caused by you wearing a mask. What I deal with is that friction and irritation I get, especially around the hair follicles.
I fortunately haven't been getting maskne in the sense of acne, but I have been having like dry patches all over my cheek areas, so I'm very, very hopeful that these products are going to be perfect in repairing my skin's barrier. Starting with the 4 Shield Superfuel Serum Stick, it feeds and balances skin with green microalgae, lactic acid, calendula, and elderberry.
The Superfuel Serum Stick really nourishes the microbiome. It's supposed to be calming and soothing. It does have this peppermint kind of scent to it, and I have to say I don't really love peppermint scents just because I associate them with skincare that I've used in the past, but it's not the end of the world.
So here's what the stick actually looks like, and this is my first impressions. It smells quite minty, kind of like what you would expect something cooling would smell like.
I love the idea too, because if you're out and about, obviously you don't want to be touching your fingers to your face. If I was out and about, I probably wouldn't rub the serum in, but I just kind of wanted to get a feel for it right now, and it feels super nourishing.
So these are multi-use products. I did just cleanse and I used a hydrating toner. I'm gonna go in with the serum step as my serum step. Even though I do want to try these in multiple ways, I want to use them within my routine, and I want to use them reapplying throughout the day as well. And I'm just gonna focus it right where I need it. I don't really need to bring it up onto my face unless I have any irritation or sensitivity up there.
So the mist is perfect for spraying the inside of your face mask or spraying your face before you put on your mask, or both. And it has ingredients to help clarify the skin, balance the skin's microbiome, and protect against any bad bacteria.
The Reset Mist also has one of my favorite ingredients in it, which is tea tree oil. Okay, it smells very faint, kind of like how the serum stick smells, but it's not as strong. This is good. This is a nice clean smell. I like the mister sprayer too. I'm actually quite the critic on mister sprayers. Sometimes they're too much.
Ooh, I love a good fine mist. It feels super cooling, really refreshing. I'm super excited to see kind of like how they hold up when I am wearing my mask for a long time, and if they help to reduce any friction, irritation, and inflammation caused by the mask.
I'm gonna use this at the end of my routine right now, but again, I will be reapplying this throughout the day. So I'm gonna spray this right on the face. Oh, actually, I can tell you already that the mist, I hope you can see that, that's really nice. It's a really fine mist. Feels really refreshing on the skin. The mist you can actually apply to your face or the fabric of the mask, so I'm going to try both today. As of right now, I can say that the products feel nice on the skin. They don't feel heavy whatsoever. So we're going to see how it wears throughout the day and also how it reapplies later. So I will see you all shortly.
So I'm going to go lay outside because I need some color in my life, as it is summer and I can't be a little vampire anymore. So I'm gonna put this on, and then I'll put sunblock on top of it, and then I'm gonna spray with this, and I'm gonna bring this outside with me because I get hot, like very, very hot. It feels so nice. So nice and very cooling. Oh, it smells so good.
Hey everyone, I'm actually going to be working out today. Although I'm not going to wear a mask, I thought to myself, what am I going to do with these products post-maskne? And I thought working out is the best place to try these out. I think when you work out, you're kind of creating the same environment that's going to be under your mask. When you wear a mask, it's really getting damp under there because of your breathing, and it's really a place where bacteria can thrive. And I thought about another place where you deal with that type of bacteria, and it's really when you sweat a lot. So I thought these products might help fight that. So I think this is the time that the mist is really going to shine, but I'm going to test out both products. I'm not going to go in with a moisturizer or sunscreen. I'm just staying indoors, and I'm going to cleanse my face immediately after. I'm still gonna go in with the stick, especially on my cheeks and forehead. I also think these products are just gonna be really refreshing on the skin, especially the mist. And this is gonna feel so good midway through the routine. You might have to edit this out. And I grabbed a bigger weight to make myself look cool on camera. Oh my gosh. I'm exhausted. I think the mist was really great. I think it felt really amazing like midway through the routine. It felt really good after the routine, and I think it's really gonna help fight that bad bacteria before I cleanse my face. It just felt good and refreshing. Although I wasn't absolutely crazy about the peppermint scent at first, I can say that it definitely served a purpose in the workout. It felt good and it felt really refreshing to me.
I'm starting to get like a little bit sweaty in my face, and I don't want to blast my face with the hose water. So nice and handy. I'm so excited. We're gonna use the Force Shield Mister on my face to kind of give me that little bit of a that I need.
So I've been using these products for a few days now, mainly at work, and I kind of wanted to show you how I've been using them to prep my skin and my face mask. So what I like to do is I actually like to mist my face first, kind of give myself a nice refresh. While my skin is a little damp, I'll take the serum stick and I'll just go over the areas where I am going to be wearing my mask. Then once that's done, I don't even rub it in, because especially if you're out and about, I don't want to be touching my fingers to my face. And for the mask, I just take it, give it a good spritz. Once it dries down a bit, I go ahead and pop on my mask, and I'm good for a few hours. And my skin's gonna stay nice and clear underneath the mask.
Hi everyone, back again. I am running to buy some shoes. Do I need some shoes? No. But am I gonna buy shoes? Yeah. So just applying this right where I need it. And I will also give an update whether or not I feel like it's building up on my skin, because that's one of the things that I'm wondering when I'm shopping around and I'm going like in and out of stores. But I will let you know if that is the case. So I'm gonna apply this onto the actual mask, like the fabric of the mask. I feel like I don't know how much to do. That's good, right?
All right, guys, you guys are getting natural Bianca today, and we're going to the gym. It already feels so good.
Hello again. All right, so a little update for you. I feel like my skin feels pretty good. The products don't feel heavy whatsoever. That's one thing that I was worried about the serum stick, is that reapplying it throughout the day, it would start to feel heavy. It does not. Also, the peppermint smell, it really didn't linger at all, even when I sprayed it on the fabric, so that is nice. I can already tell I'm leaning towards the mist more than the stick. The mist is just really refreshing. I like the idea that you can apply it to the mask or your skin. So far, we're looking good.
This was after work one day, and you can see how excited I am because no breakouts.
So I'm about to run into Starbucks to just grab a drink, but before I run in, I'm gonna spritz my face mask with the Force Shield Supercharged Reset Mist. Don't mind my obnoxious steering wheel cover, but I'm just gonna take it, give it a good spritz. I'll give myself a spritz too. And then we're ready to go inside and grab a drink. I will have to say the mist has been my favorite so far. It's just super nice and refreshing, especially because it's been getting hotter out now.
It's so hot, it's like 90 degrees, so it's perfect time to use my Force Shield. So I'm gonna use the mister right now. I'm not wearing any makeup. And the air is pumping. Come on. Thus far, I wanna say my favorite product of the two is the mister, just because it's like very convenient to always put it on regardless of if my skin is perfectly clean or not.
Hello, I just wanted to give a little update. A lot has happened since I've last checked in about these Force Shield products. I'm now in LA. I took a flight from Virginia to Los Angeles, and I really wanted to test out these products, especially the mist on that flight. Prior to the flight, I did apply the Force Shield stick, and I feel like that actually helped a lot, especially the mist too, because I sprayed it right before I got on the flight and right after I landed as well. I do have this one breakout here. I don't think it's Maskne related. I do think it's related to the fact that I shaved right before I got on the flight, and it's like the hair's growing back. sometimes that happens. While I'm visiting my friends, this is something that I'm using a lot because we're putting that mask on and off. I mean, I spray this on my mask and on my face constantly throughout the day. Spraying it on the face for me is just more so I can have that refreshing sensation. While I spray it on the mask, that's really what I feel like helps to fight that bad bacteria. The stick is something that I like using during my morning routine. This is morning routine and bringing throughout the day to reapply. So far the mist is like here, and the stick is still good, but the mist is where it's at. So now let's go out to dinner.
So I've been using these two products consistently for a week now, and I have to say I'm super, super impressed. There were a few times where I was like, oh, I'm definitely gonna be getting a breakout, and then I never did. And it's especially exciting because I'm like close to my period. So like I was like pretty much guaranteed a breakout this week and nothing happened. And this was the only thing that I changed. I would highly recommend this for anyone who has been dealing with Maskne, still has to wear their mask for long periods of times. Highly, highly recommend. I've been even using these two when I'm not wearing my mask because I really love how the serum feels. It's just really nice and nourishing, and the mist is so refreshing.
After about a week of using the Force Shield Serum Stick and Reset Mist, I can gladly say I'm obsessed with these products. As I said in the last clip that you saw of me, my favorite product thus far is the Reset Mist because I feel like on-the-go application is super important to me, and I do wear makeup, so I can't really go ahead and smear this atop of my foundation. Reset Mist is going to be in my beach tote. No questions asked.
Hey everyone, I wanted to give a last and final update on the two Force Shield products. I've been using them for a couple weeks now, and I definitely have some thoughts. Let's go ahead and start out with the Force Shield Superfuel Serum Stick. This is something I've been really using in both my morning and my night routine. I've tried it reapplying throughout the day, but I think I prefer it in both the morning and the night routine, not necessarily as like a reapplication throughout the day. A stick is not something that I normally gravitate to, but I do have to say I did enjoy this product, and it felt really good, really cooling, really soothing on the skin. The mist, on the other hand, was probably my favorite out of these two. As you can see, I used a lot of this. I really like how it's a multi-purpose product. You can use it on both the mask and your skin. I do actually really like using it on my mask. I was afraid that the peppermint scent was going to linger, but it absolutely did not with either of these products. Having gone on a flight and really come to Los Angeles and be in this hot weather, it feels really good when I reapply throughout the day. And hopefully this battle with Maskne ends sometime soon and we can get back to normal, and these products can just be used for any irritation or sensitivity that you get down the road, not related to Maskne. Thank you all so much for being here and trying out these products with us, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.
Testing out these two new products this week has been so much fun. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you later. Bye.
And I'm really excited to continue using the Force Shield, and I hope you guys do too. Okay, bye.